Hi, my name is Jacob from Getz Handyman. Today I want to talk to you about how saving money in your handyman business. So my handyman business is located in Las Vegas. His name is Getz Handyman. And we're doing small jobs around the house, small drywall repairs, and a lot of times we're getting to a job that we're replacing old things and we can still use them to other customers. For example, I will show you my garage. As you can see, I have here two doors, shelves, molding, baseboard, more doors, tiles, and drywalls. So all of those materials, they are materials that I got left from other jobs, and basically we are always saving those materials and making a sheet in Google Sheet that we will know what we have on stock and what we don't have on stock. The same thing is also about tools. Right now it's not that organized, but we have different paints that we're saving. We have different paint removers that we're saving. Texture gun, compressor, one vacuum, another vacuum, a tile machine, and everything that I need for work. So at my Google sheet in the house, I have everything written down and organized. That way I'm saving money on materials if I need it for future jobs and stuff. Also, you can work on your daily routine a day before. Work on a schedule all of your jobs and be organized. If you have tomorrow a drywall job, prepare all the materials that you already need and what's laying in your house, put it already in the car. That way you can save time and money on that. That was me, Jacob from Getz Handyman Las Vegas. Hoping you enjoy my video.